All right, hello Algebra 2 students. Welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend. Today is Monday, January 25th, and you can see this week. Here's our overall week, this last week of the semester, where we're going to be doing finals review for 3 days, and then we'll take the exam on Thursday the 28th, last day of the semester, no school Friday. Just please, as a reminder, if you can't take the exam the 28th, schedule a time ahead of time to take it. Right, you can always work ahead on these lessons and stuff and do it ahead of time, but we need to have it done by the 28th. So in the event that you are absent for some reason or cannot take the test that day, schedule a time to take it with me ahead of time. Looking at this folder, there is a formula sheet that will be given to you on the test, right? So you can have that open in another tab and stuff when you're doing the problems or going through the lessons. And then looking specifically at today, there's a short lesson. I think it's only like a 5-minute video. And then there's a Kahoot review, which you can either play live together in class with me if you attend live class, or you can do it asynchronously. And then there'll be a finals review assignment here for you to work on too, right? So doing these things to help you be ready for the final, and kind of 2 different activities here along with the lesson. So that's it. If you have any questions or anything, just reach out. I'm happy to respond. All right, have a good day.